entrance in the back.
Oh, why did I know that?
I followed the arrow. That's what I did.
There's an arrow?
There's an arrow. I think that's what it was. Oh, there's the little man. We made it. We made it to the toy museum. Anything special going on today?
No, they're all on Saturday. Saturday. Oh, I knew it was Monday.
Every day.
Jaden Todd.
Nathan Todd. Hey, Nathan Todd. Oh, wait, you can entrance is in the back, and then it's all the way here and have to go to the back. Oh, there's a little man with the ball. Only one. It is open. That's the sign. It was open all along. Entrance.
Like the old blue land or something? Did you see all the enemy depictions, German enemies in the past?
No, I saw the troops and ladders.
Yeah. These were Chinese maybe, and then you got the British, and then I believe that's maybe the French. And if you look at their feet, because all their feet are different.
Not our friends. Gosh. Look at that. Everybody looks terrible.
I think that was the point. There's like a whole box there.
There's three, yeah. No one's their friend, evidently.
Those are the tame
Darby will try to conquer the store from the 1900s if it kills us.
I know, it's really nice. You have to do this so I can get the keys so I can unlock the man next to this locker so we can get the next clue. You're gonna you know that. I'll never get it right. You read the sign, it's positive.
Put your nose in. I'll do the other one. Do the other one. No, the other side.
Boy, man, there's nothing here.
Believe me, there is. Say something. Say something in Chinese.
I don't know Chinese. I know, that's really creepy right there.
That looks real. Oh, how about that one? They're scary. The cat looks scary too. This guy will sit right underneath there. Where's he going? Where's Darby going? Do you know where he's going? Oh. Doesn't go anywhere. Oh, it's not even a real pipe. Oh, can you hear? Do it again, do it again. There's a giant spider in this pipe.